Happy Easter, friends. Here at my house, we are getting ready for Easter Sunday, and today we're going to make these sweet little croissant carrots. I'd also like to introduce you to my double applique banner letters, as well as my applique Easter set to help you decorate your home. The nice thing about these croissant carrots is it's just a few ingredients. So let's go over the ingredients that we have as well as the supplies that you will need. We're going to need some parsley, an egg, a sheet of crescent roll, and now I have chosen here the dough sheet, but you can, if you get the crescent sheets that have the perforations, that's not a problem. It's actually less expensive, and you can get the generic ones as well. And when you roll it out, you can just kind of pat together where the triangle perforations of the croissant are. But for ease today, I've got the dough sheet. I have 2 cloves of minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of minced onion, 1 package of cream cheese. Now these are the ingredients needed. The tools needed, we're going to use our hand mixer. You need a bowl, a spoon or a spatula. I've got a little silicone brush. I've got a quart-sized freezer bag. And then we're going to need some little baking cones. These are like 4 1/4 inch baking cones. I got these off of Amazon, and I'm going to link to them. However, if you don't have these, I'm going to show you how to make them. But I want to tell you, these are so much fun. You're going to want to have these on hand in your kitchen, and they don't take up much space in your kitchen at all. But if you want to make your own cone, super easy to do. Just get a sheet of aluminum foil. You're going to fold it in half, and then just start to roll it around. And now you have your own little makeshift cone that you can use to make the carrots. All right, friends, we're going to begin by mixing together in our bowl our cream cheese, our minced onion, and our garlic. Okay, so I have whipped my cream cheese, my onion, and my garlic together. I'm going to continue to let this sit out at room temperature. The cream cheese was already softened, but we're going to be putting it in these little croissants, so I want it nice and soft. I'm going to let it just continue to sit out, and we're going to get our croissants made. I've opened up the dough sheet, and one more tool that's really handy that I didn't mention is a pizza cutter or a knife. And so you can see it's a rectangular sheet. We're going to cut about 1 inch strips. Just eyeball it. It's approximate here. And if you can hear, my oven is on. We're going to bake the croissants according to the instructions on the package. The instructions on this package said 375 degrees for 10 to 13 minutes. So I already have my oven preheating here to 375. Okay, we're going to take one of our little cones. We'll take one of our strips, start it at the bottom, And we're just going to kind of work our way around, rolling it up. And this is what's going to make our carrot. I'm going to set these to the side for just a moment. We're going to egg wash them though before they actually go into the oven. So let me continue to roll these up. We're going to have a whole bushel of carrots here. I take my egg and I whipped it with a fork here. And I'm going to just do an egg wash on these. Just to give it a little color. It's not 100% necessary, but hey, we're gonna make these look like really cute little carrots here. And your family is going to adore these on your Easter table. I have them all egg washed now, and it's time to put them in the oven. The oven, like I said, is preheated to 375 degrees. I had just started my timer for 10 minutes. We'll start there and see how they look, and we can always leave them in a little bit longer. While they're baking, I'd like to invite you to subscribe, turn on your notifications, like the video. I appreciate all of you being here. Also, while they're baking, I'd like to show you one of my embroidery designs. There are two of them actually. I have the double banner letters here. Now these letters are sold individually, which is nice because then you can pick and choose only the letters that you want, but it's a double applique. So the first fabric behind is a sweet little jelly bean fabric. You can't see it very well, but then I've got just bright matching colors for the second applique on top. And then what coordinates with that is the Easter the Easter banner set, and it's the exact same height as the double banner letters. So the set, it's $3.99 and comes with a bunny, a chick, and a carrot. The carrot, I've added rickrack and some ribbon for the little leaves here. The chick I did in a terry cloth fabric, and then the little bunny I just glued a pom-pom on. So very fun for Easter, and the letters, whatever letters you choose. It's fun for birthdays, for Christmas, other events. So I took these out at 11 minutes. The egg wash makes them look so pretty. I've also taken a spatula and have gone underneath all of them. But now it's time to take the cones out of the croissants here. And these have cooled, so I can easily touch them. And the little cones, those come out easily. There. Try to be gentle, and I don't want to crush our carrots here. There. Just give them a little wiggle if need be. Okay. All right. Now we're going to fill them with our cream cheese mixture. I also want to say, let's just say you don't like onions and garlic. If you took some craisins, dried cranberries, and some walnuts and chopped those up, that would make a sweeter cream cheese filling, and that would be delicious as well. So I've got my quart size freezer bag. filling in here. Try not to make too big of a mess. Let's take a scissors and we'll cut, take a good 1/4 inch, close to a 1/2 inch off of the corner there. And now we can just pipe our filling into our carrots. If we end up having more filling than croissants, take a cucumber, slice it up, put some of this on top of a cucumber. You can take celery and fill a celery stalk with it, crackers. There's a lot of great ways that you can use up any extra filling that you may have. Once we get all of these filled up, we're going to take a little bit of our parsley, tear it off about so tall, and let's tuck a few sprigs in here. Let's get another one. Give it a nice full top here. Tuck those down in. And what a sweet carrot croissant. And it's delicious too. So friends, here you have it. A nice bunch of croissant carrots that even the Easter Bunny will love. So I hope you enjoy making these. They are so quick, so easy, taste delicious, and you can customize the filling really any way you want. So enjoy, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy and blessed Easter.